Today I'm going to be showing you how to edit my Pinterest templates in Photoshop. When you open up the Photoshop file, you will see 26 different templates for you to choose from and customize. I'm going to show you how you can edit them quickly and efficiently so you can spend less time designing pins and more time sharing them. Okay, I'm just going to start by editing this first artboard here. So I'm just going to zoom in on it so we can see what we're doing and get this a little more centered. The first thing I'm going to do is update the text for the main blog post title here. So that is right here. So I'm just going to come over here and select the type tool. Select that. Come here and you can see I can select it and edit it. So I am just going to write why I use Flowdesk for email marketing. Okay, that looks good. Just going to keep that. Okay, so now I am going to change these 3 typefaces. So I'm going to use my selection tool and hold down the shift key and select them all. And I can come over here and press the type tool again. And I am just going to change my font by just typing it in here. Okay, that looks good. So now I can come in and edit what these text boxes say. So for the blog category, I'm going to do marketing. Down here on the URL, I'm going to put my URL in. Perfect. And now I can just write a short description here. For this, I am going to write, I recently made the switch from MailChimp to Flowdesk. Find out why. Okay, so that looks good. So now we have all the text updated for our pin, and I am going to show you how we can add some color swatches so that we can quickly and easily change out the colors for our Pinterest templates. So to do that, I'm just going to do a little box here. So as you can see, that brings up the properties panel. So I can just open that, and then I'm going to select this right here that opens up our color picker. So then you can put in the RGB code or the hex code for your color. C45. Okay. So instead of pressing OK, we're going to press Add to Swatches, and then we can name it. So red, doesn't really matter what the name is. And then press OK. And so now we have this saved here, as you can see, and saved here. So we're going to come here and use our selection tool. We're going to select this background color, and I can just press my brand color. So now if you want to do that to other pins, you can easily use the brand colors that you saved in your color swatches, making it super easy to update for each time you have to create a new pin. So the last thing we're going to do is we're going to put a photo here in this gray square. So when I select it, you can see the properties panel changes. So we're going to press Edit Contents, press OK. Okay, so now we can place our image. So we're going to go to File, Place Embedded. I'm going to place that photo. Okay, perfect. So now we are just going to come to the sides, and we're just going to size it. As you can see, it's locked, so the dimensions are good. I don't need to press anything else. So then you kind of just click off of it to make sure that it loads. Okay, perfect. Now we can come up here and we can actually exit out of it. You'll press Save. So now you can see our image is perfectly sized to the pin, and our entire pin is done. So the great thing about these templates is that as you go through and continue editing using the same process, you will have all of the initial work out of the way with getting your color swatches and all of the text updated to reflect your brand. All you'll have to do is come in and update the text, photos, and possibly switch out some colors. So as you can see, updating and designing Pinterest templates is super easy and super fast.